I have to start with triviality. Startup community and the startup culture is very active and developing in the world. In Latvia, we have some success stories like AirDog, like Infogram, but we need more. Clearly, this is not enough. And for this reason, in Ministry, we are developing new programs specifically targeted to the startups, like specifically for risk capital. But I have to agree and say that each this success story which we have brings much more young and talented people to the entrepreneurship than all our programs altogether. So that's why I have to say big thanks to Latvian Guarantee Agency for developing this instrument, and I already know that I will use this to prove to skeptics who are saying that in Latvia startups are not very important part of our economics, to prove that this is not true, that we have a lot of startups, and these startups will be increasingly important in development of our economics. Thank you very much.